Did you know there's a map inside your phone that reveals where you've been and what photos you've been taking there? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and if you use Google Photos, you know it's a popular way to back up your photos and keep track of them. What you may not have been aware of is the map Google is creating for you using all of the exact locations you took each and every photo at. If you open the Google Photos app on your smartphone, you'll see the search option on the bottom bar. Check this out. Click there, and your photos will show people and places as the first two sections. Under Places, you'll see Your Map. And if you tap it, it almost looks like a weather map, except those larger colored in areas are where you've snapped the most memories. If you want to disable this feature on your phone, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Then tap Photo Settings and tap Location. You can tap Photos with Location to view and manage individual photos, or tap Location Sources. Then you should toggle off Estimate Missing Locations. This lets Google use nearby landmarks and satellite information to place a location on your photo. If you're on a desktop, open Chrome and then tap your profile picture on the top right. Then click Manage Your Google Account, tap Data and Privacy, and under History Settings, tap Location History. If this is turned on, be sure to turn it off. For more ways to take back your privacy online, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my newsletter.